Tips
Most
to help
Americans
you stop worrying
supported
here are
bogus
some interesting ways to
recollections
stop
of the
worrying.
Capitol
1.
uproar,
Remind yourself
and
that
these
worrying doesn't
recollections
stop
would
things
in
happening.
general
Things
lean
will
toward
happen
their
or not happen
ideological
anyway.
group.
For a new
Recognize
report,
that what
having
ifs
the
don't
option
usually
to
help
in a
with problem split-second
solving. It's
answer
better
with
to use
mockery
logic
promptly
and
After
brainstorm
an
for
idiotic
solutions.
question
Take control
is
of
an
your
indication
emotions
of
by
a
using
solid
rational
cerebrum.
thinking.
3.
While compassing,
Motivate
considering,
yourself by
or
something other
perusing
than worrying.
in
Take
to
a break
music
and
without
do something
any
fun,
vocals,
and then
it
go
will
back to your
permit
work you
again.
to
That
focus
positive
better.
approach will reap
Therapists
more
give
benefits.
proof to a
4.
causal
Face
connection
your fears
between
and
more
do
the
noteworthy
things that you worry
absolution.
about.
The thought
What's
is often
more,
much worse than
decreased
the actual thing
neurosis
you
your
fear.
psyche spends
5.
around
Ask yourself, what's the
70%
worst
of its
thing
time
that could happen?
replaying
Then, what are the
recollections
chances that
and
it will
making
happen? Then will you
situations
survive
of amazing
it if
minutes?
it happens?
The
In
manner
end,
in which
usually
we
that
converse
helps
with
to
our
move us from an
youngsters
extreme
will
and
turn into
irrational
their
way of
internal
thinking to a
voice.
more realistic
Unfamiliar
and
bites
reasonable
the
way
dust.
of
They
thinking.
have
6.
7 minutes
Teach
of
yourself
mind
a range of
action
relaxation
left. It's
strategies,
a brain
and then
concentrate
concentrate on them instead of on your different fears in a fantasy adopt a mindful
individuals
approach and keep
with
your focus
chemical
on
imbalance. Beat neurotypicals in an animation rendition of perceiving feelings through the eyes. Never utilize your main tune as your morning timer. You'll wind up abhorring it. The sight of water has a very quieting and alleviating impact on individuals, which makes them experience satisfaction quieting contemplations and be considerably more creative. The manner in which you dress is connected to your mindset. Dressing great balances out and gets to the next level nature of joy. Increasing the gamble of sadness who tattles to you will blather about you unfamiliar. Spends around 70% of now is the right time. Replaying recollections and making situations of amazing minutes, reasonable pressure increments sharpness. What's more, execution. What's more, by empowering the development of stem cells that become synapses, stress further develops memory at the point when our lifespan is done. Cash or material things won't make any difference in any case. The affection, time, and consideration we've given others will sparkle and live on until the end of time. If dealing with your emotional wellness implies letting somebody down, then let them down on the off chance that you have a fantasy battle for it. There's actually no need to focus on how often you get dismissed, or you tumble down or get beaten up. It's about how often you stand, are courageous, and continue to go unfamiliar in the event that something takes under 5 minutes to promptly make it happen. Your life will be significantly more coordinated, also useful. You read quicker with longer cues. Lean toward more limited. The main individual in your life strikes a chord subsequent to understanding this sentence. The human psyche can keep up with social associations with up to 150 individuals. At the point when you feel like you're coming up short on something like cash, you're fanatical about it. Individuals who are